met Chiang Kai-shek in the war. This guy's got a history. He's a historian.
His wife was the boss.
His wife was the boss, she said. What else is new, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
She was a bad lady.
Easy.
Okay, so I'm not supposed to be able to take care of him. He needs to go in long-term care, according to this nurse, who I think may have a lot of problems to make that statement, because I think I demonstrated to everyone today what I can do, what I've done do, and what I want to do. So give me a hug, baby. Mwah. Now I do have a caregiver, and he's going to take over. Thank you, Dave.